Okay, so today we are doing similar area. So my essential question is, how do I use scale factor to find area? Okay, so if two polygons are similar, then their areas have the ratio of the scale factor squared. So basically I would find the sets of similar sides, find the ratio, and then square it to get the same ratio of the two areas. Okay, so number one it tells me the two triangles are similar, and then it wants me to find the area of DEF. So this is my old triangle, and this is my new triangle. Remember, we always do new over old. So I'm going to take the similar sides are ED and BA. So I'm going to do 5 over 10. Then I want to go to Desmos to simplify this. So I have 5 divided by 10. If I click on the square over square button right here in the corner next to my 0.5, it turns it back into a fraction. So I have 1/2. So what I want to do is I want to take my scale factor and square it. So when I'm squaring a fraction, I distribute the exponent to each of the pieces. So I'm going to have 1 squared, which gives me 1. And then 2 squared, which gives me 4. Then I want to take my area, or my squared scale factor, and use the area. So I know that ABC...
Good morning, warriors. Sorry for that little delay, but welcome to your daily announcements with Kendall.
So, that's cool. we were in the middle of finding the areas. I know that my old area was 36, and my new area is what I'm solving for. So I'm going to have new on top and 36 on the bottom. Then I want to go ahead and cross multiply. So I'm going to do 1 times 36. And then I'm going to do 4 times x. One times 36 is just 36. Then I want to go ahead and divide both sides by 4, which gets me x equals 9 centimeters squared. Number 2 wants me to find the scale factor, so I just want to go ahead and find 2 matching sides. So I have the vertical line. This one is drawn first, so it's going to be my old, and this one is drawn second, so it's going to be my new. I'm going to do 3 over 6. Then I want to go ahead and go to Desmos to simplify my ratio. Which, if I turn it back into a fraction, is 1/2. So this is my scale factor. Then B wants me to find the ratio of the 2 areas. Whenever I see the word area, I want to think squared. So I'm going to square this ratio. Then I want to go ahead and distribute my exponent. So I'm going to have 1 squared over 2 squared. Then 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. So my ratio of the 2 areas is 1 to 4. Okay, number 3 is telling me I want to put a rectangular patio in my backyard, similar to my backyard. So my backyard is going to be old. And then the patio is going to be new. It tells me the backyard is 45 feet long and 20 feet wide. The length of my new patio is 18 feet. This one wants me to find the perimeters. So perimeters is just scale factor. So on the backyard, I have this side is 20 and this side is 45 because opposite sides of rectangles are congruent. Then I want to go ahead and find the perimeter by adding up all of the side lengths for the backyard. So I'm going to add 20, 45, 20, and 45. Does anyone have a perimeter for me? 130.
Good morning, teachers. Please excuse the interruption. We wanted to reach out and let you know we are.
So now that I have the perimeter of the backyard, this was what? Feet? That's one part of my answer. It wants me to find the perimeter of the patio. So I don't know this one. This one is going to be X. My scale factor here is new over old. So I want to do the two sides that are the same. So I'm going to do 18 over 45. And then I'm going to match them up to my perimeters. So I have X and 130. Then I want to go ahead and cross multiply. So I'm going to have 18 times 130. And then 45 times X. So I want to go to Desmos to figure out what 18 times 130 is. Gives me 2,340. Then I want to go ahead and divide both sides by 45. So I want to go type that into Desmos, which gets me 52. So this one is also in feet.